Hello students, hope so you will be fine and safe. Now, today our topic is cross or vector product. Now, here are some questions. Start with first question. We have two vectors, A vector and B vector. We have to get magnitude of A vector cross B vector. First of all, find out cross. If two vectors are available to us, then cross will solve like a determinant. First vector, that is your second vector. Solve it like determinant, that is 0 minus j cap, that is minus 19 plus k cap into, that is 19. Here is the vector plus 19 j cap plus 19 k cap. Just we have to get its magnitude. As you know, a magnitude will be square root of squares of sum of squares of scalar components is equal to, that becomes 2 times, and 19 root 2 is my answer. Now, here is the question. We have A vector, we have B vector. Question is asking about a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A vector plus B vector. First of all, find out A vector plus B vector, that is 4i cap, that is 2 plus 2 4j cap, that is 0k cap. Get A vector minus B vector, 3i cap minus I cap, that is 2i cap, 2j cap minus 2j cap, that is 0j cap, 2k cap plus 2k cap becomes 4k cap. Now, you need a single vector which is perpendicular to both. Obviously, it will be cross product of both vectors. You can say C vector, that is cross of both vectors. And cross solves like a determinant. Now here is 4, 4, 0, 2, 0, 4. Get the vector, that is I cap into, that is 16 I cap minus j cap, that is minus j cap minus 16 j cap plus k cap, that is plus k cap, that is 0 minus 8 k cap. It becomes minus 8 k cap. But we need a unit vector, that's why get its magnitude. Gets its magnitude. It is roots 576 becomes 24. Now, a unit vector represented by cap. Vector upon its magnitude. 16 upon 24, that becomes 2 by 3 I cap. 16 upon 24, 2 by 3 j cap minus 1 by 3 k cap. A single vector, as we know, that if it is the vector and we need a single vector perpendicular on both, that will be cross of both. Application of your cross. Now, here is fourth question. Question is about we have to show equal to so much. So, let's start with LHS. Just open the brackets. A vector cross A vector plus A vector cross B vector minus, now with B vector cross A vector minus B vector cross B vector. As you know, cross of same vectors is 0. That's why it is 0 vector plus cross is not commutative. That's why I am changing it. Minus will be there and minus becomes plus. Cross will be 0 vector, and at last we got the answer is our RHS. Now again we have first vector cross second vector, that means cross, that is I cap, j cap, k cap. It is 2, 6, 27. It is 1 lambda mu. is equal to 0 vector. Just compare it, multiply, that is I cap into 6 mu minus 27, 6 mu minus 27 minus j cap, that is 2 mu, that is 6 mu minus 27. Now j cap 2 mu minus 27 minus 27 lambda, sorry, that is lambda, minus j cap into 2 mu minus 27 plus k cap into 2 lambda minus 6, 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0 vector. That means is equal to 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 j. Just compare k with k, we get 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0, implies lambda is equal to 3. Here j with j, minus 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0, implies mu is equal to 27 by 2. We got the answer. Now we have given a dot b is equal to 0 and a cross b is equal to 0. Now question arises, if a dot b is equal to 0, what does it mean? Dot of two vectors is 0 when they are perpendicular to each other, or either one of them is 0 vector. Either your first vector is equal to 0 vector or second vector is equal to 0 vector. Second, we have given cross is equal to 0. Cross of two vectors is 0 only when vectors are parallel, or either one of them is 0 vector. On the same time, vectors can be perpendicular and parallel both. That means only one condition is there, that is that condition which satisfies both on the same time, that is dot will be 0, also cross will be 0. That means my answer is either a vector is equal to 0 vector or b vector is equal to 0 vector which satisfies the given conditions on the same time. Like in question number 8, we know if any vector is 0 vector. As you know, if a vector is equal to 0 vector or b vector is equal to 0 vector, its cross will be always 0. But question is asking about, is the converse true? No. Reason being, a vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. It is not equal to 0 vector. B vector, that means 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, not equal to 0 vector. But when you get its cross, it results you 0 vector. Reason, B vector is multiple of A vector. That means they are parallel to each other. If they are parallel to each other, that means its cross will be 0 by your application of cross product. Now we are continuing with that is area of triangle, area of parallelogram, area of rectangle with the next questions. Now we have three vertices of a triangle. We have to get area of triangle. As we know, what is area of triangle? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector. First of all, get AB vector by final minus initial AB 2 minus 1, that is I cap, 3 minus 1, that is 2j cap plus 3k cap. Get AC vector, again final minus initial, that is 0 I cap plus that is 4j cap plus 3k cap. Get their cross. Cross solves like a determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. That is 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 3 is equal to 6 minus 12. That is I cap. 6 minus 12. That is minus 6 I cap. J cap. That is 3 minus 3 j cap. Plus k cap. That is plus 4 k cap. Now get its magnitude. Magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector is equal to, again, 36 plus 9 plus 16. It becomes, that is under root 61. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half root 61 square unit. Now question is asking about area of parallelogram. As we know, area of parallelogram is magnitude of A vector cross B vector. So first of all get its cross. That is 1 minus 1 3, 2 minus 7 1. Get cross. That is minus 1 plus 21. That is 20 I cap, j cap, 1 minus 1, that is plus that is 1 minus 1 3, 2 minus 7 1. Okay, j cap, that is 1 minus 6. It becomes minus 5 with j cap plus k cap. That becomes, that is minus 7 plus 2. That becomes minus 7 plus 2 minus 5 k cap. We need its magnitude. That is area of parallelogram is equal to magnitude of A cross B. And here it comes, that is root 450 square unit. Now question number 11 is there. We have A magnitude, we have B magnitude. A cross B is a unit vector. A cross B is a unit vector. That means magnitude of cross is equal to 1. Now we have to open it. A cross B, that means magnitude of A, magnitude of B sin theta is equal to 1. Now A magnitude, that is root 3. B magnitude, that is root 2 by 3. That is sin theta is equal to 1. We got sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. It implies that theta is equal to pi by 4. Now here we have 4 vertices of a rectangle. And question is asking about area of rectangle. As we know, area of rectangle is length into breadth. So first of all get its length, that is AB vector, by final minus initial. 1, that is 2I cap plus 0j cap plus 0k cap. Get its breadth, that is AD vector. That becomes 0I cap, 0I cap plus, that is 1j cap plus 0k cap. Get magnitude, that is magnitude of AB is equal to 2, magnitude of AD is equal to 1. Get area of rectangle, area of rectangle ABCD, ABCD is equal to length, that is AB magnitude, breadth, that is AD magnitude, is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2 square unit. After that, we have miscellaneous question number 19, that is magnitude of A dot B. Simply open bracket. As we know what is dot, magnitude of A, that is cos theta, is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, that is sin theta. Cancel out. Cos by sin becomes cot theta is equal to 1, and we got theta is equal to, that is pi by 4. After that, question asking about that value. As we know, cyclic order, that means I cross j is equal to k cap, j cross k is equal to, that is I cap, k cross I is equal to j cap. So I cap dot j cross k is I cap plus j cap I cross k, that is I cross k, but we have k cross I. So they are interchanging minus j cap plus k cap I cross j, that is k cap. As we know, dot of same is a magnitude of square plus magnitude of square. Sorry, that is minus, plus minus is minus, plus magnitude of k square. As we know, I cap, j cap, k cap are mutually perpendicular unit vector. So magnitude of I is 1 minus magnitude of j is 1, magnitude of k is 1 is equal to. So 1 is my required answer. Here some questions for your cross or vector product complete. Thank you.